What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a YouTube banner in Photoshop using this template. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this particular template and thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for Photoshop and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your Downloads folder. The process is similar on your Mac. After extracting the files, open the Photoshop file in the folder. Here, you'll discover a treasure trove of YouTube banner designs, each unique in its visual appeal. While the process remains consistent for all, let's customize the first one. As the Photoshop interface opens, the designed banner template for your YouTube channel will be present. This project is made with infinite possibilities of customization, allowing you to refine every aspect to align with your unique brand. However, we'll focus primarily on editing the text content. To initiate this process, navigate to the Layer section and locate the folder labeled Content. Within this folder, you'll find all the layers that you should edit in order to get the banner you want. Now, double-click the text layer. The text will be transformed in edit mode and will be highlighted in order to show that. Replace the template text with your own words according to your preferences. Continue this process for all text layers, shaping them to mirror your individuality. Similarly, edit the contact details in their respective folders. Once you're done, preview your customized banner. It's now tailored to represent your YouTube channel effectively. Once you're happy with the changes, it's time to save your project. Head to File in the toolbar and select Save a Copy. Next, rename the file and change the file type to PNG if you're exporting an image with a transparent background, or JPEG if you kept the background. And there you have it. You've successfully created a YouTube banner in Photoshop. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.